You don't lack time or energy. You lack focused attention daily. Your mind is constantly scattered everywhere, pulled in different directions all day. That's why nothing meaningful gets done. You start tasks, but never finish them. You switch constantly between different activities. Your attention is broken into fragments, and your progress becomes painfully slow. This is destroying your potential silently. The problem is not your ability, it's your inability to stay focused. Without focus, effort becomes wasted energy, and time becomes completely ineffective daily. That's the real issue you face. Look at how you spend hours daily. Notifications interrupt your thinking constantly. You check your phone without awareness. You multitask and lose deep concentration, and call it being busy daily. But busy is not productive at all. You're active but not moving forward. You're doing things without real direction, and confusing movement with real progress. That's why results feel out of reach. The truth is simple and uncomfortable. You don't control your attention anymore. Your environment controls your focus completely, and you haven't taken it back yet. That's why nothing is changing still. Your brain is wired for easy stimulation. Quick rewards feel better than hard work, so it chooses distraction over deep focus, again and again without conscious awareness. This becomes your default behavior daily. Every distraction resets your thinking process. You lose depth and clarity instantly, and restarting becomes harder each time. So you avoid focused work completely and stay stuck in shallow activity. You don't build focus by accident. Focus is trained through repeated behavior. What you practice becomes your normal, and your current pattern is distraction. That's what you've been reinforcing daily. You try to focus but get distracted. You feel frustrated and mentally drained, so you switch tasks to feel better. That leads to more shallow activity and less meaningful progress again. At the end of the day, nothing changes. You feel busy but not accomplished. You promise to do better tomorrow but repeat the same patterns again because nothing structural actually changed. Days pass without real deep work. Weeks pass without meaningful progress. Your goals stay distant and untouched, and your confidence starts to drop. That's the cost of broken focus. You don't need more motivation anymore. You need a focus habit daily. One simple structure that builds attention and removes constant mental switching. That's how you take control back. This habit is simple but powerful. It's called a daily focus block, a dedicated time for deep work. No distractions, no interruptions allowed, just pure attention on one task. This is where everything changes, because focus compounds over time daily. 1 hour of deep work matters more than 8 hours of distraction. That's the shift you need now. Now the focus habit. Choose one important task daily. Not 5, not 10, just one. Something that actually moves you forward. Something meaningful and worth your time. This creates clarity and direction instantly. Set a fixed time for this block. Same time every day if possible. Consistency builds stronger mental patterns. Your brain learns when to focus and enters that state faster daily. Remove all distractions before starting work. Put your phone away completely. Turn off notifications and background noise. Create a clean, focused environment always. This protects your attention fully. Start even if you don't feel ready. You won't feel ready most days. Action creates clarity and momentum fast. Waiting only increases resistance daily, so start before you feel ready. Work on only one task completely. No switching, no multitasking allowed here. Stay with it through discomfort phases. That's where real progress begins, and focus starts getting stronger. Use a simple time structure daily. Start with 20 or 30 minutes, then gradually increase your duration. Build focus like a mental muscle, step by step, not all at once. When distractions appear, don't follow them. Notice them and return to task. This is how focus is trained daily, not by perfection, but by returning again and again without quitting. End the session with small reflection. What did you complete successfully today? Where did you lose focus again? What can improve tomorrow's session? This builds awareness and growth. Repeat this process every single day. Consistency matters more than intensity here. Small sessions done daily compound fast and build strong focus over time. That's how mastery is developed. Focus is not something you have, it's something you build daily, through structure, repetition, and discipline, not through motivation or random effort. That's the difference you must understand. When you control your attention fully, you control your output and results. Your work becomes deeper and sharper. Your progress becomes faster and visible, and your confidence starts to grow. This one habit changes everything because it affects every area daily. Work, learning, decisions, and execution. Everything improves with better focus. That's why it's so powerful. Right now, your attention is scattered, but it doesn't have to stay that way. You can rebuild your focus completely, starting with one simple daily habit. That's your opportunity right now. Stop waiting for perfect conditions daily. They will never come consistently. Start building focus with what you have, in your current environment right now. That's how change actually begins. One focused hour can change everything, more than days of scattered effort. So start your focus block tomorrow. Protect it and execute it fully, and watch your life improve steadily. If you still can't focus consistently, watch the next video right now. Understand why your focus is broken and how to fix it properly. Start now. Don't lose control again.